Hey, this is Mike, and I want to talk about Plug Power because yesterday it had a really bad day. It was down almost 9%. It's down again a little bit in the pre-market, so you may be wondering if you're holding Plug Power, should you hold on to the stock? So the first thing I want to do is look at this one-day chart. It had a really bad day, fell all the way ended at the lows of the day. It'll probably go down again today. However, take a look at the 1 month chart. It started at 1293. It's now at 1486. It had a big run up in the last month. If you pull the stock chart back to 6 months, it was at $4.33, going all the way up to 17. So it had like almost a five-fold increase in the span of 6 months. When you have an increase of this size, you're going to get a pullback eventually because people are going to take profit on this stock. So I would anticipate that Plug Power will have some support probably around the 13 area. So don't be surprised if Plug Power does go down to 13 before it stabilizes and moves back up. There's nothing fundamentally wrong with the company as far as I can tell. And another reason why you should be confident in the stock is that everything in the sort of alternative energy sector went down yesterday. So it's just overall sector weakness for a sector that's been really strong. As far as I know, as far as anyone knows, people are still, hydrogen fuel cell systems are still going to be in the growth market over the next 5 to 10 years. So there's nothing fundamentally wrong with the company. It's just it's risen so far, the stock itself has risen so far so fast that you just have to have a natural reversion to the mean. I mean, if you look at probably the reversion to the mean, yeah, it's probably going to be about $13. I think it's going to fall down to $13 before it finds stability and move forward. So if you are long-term bullish on Plug Power, see this dip as a buying opportunity. If you do buy at the 1475, 1450 mark, just don't be surprised if it does move down to 13. You're just going to have a long-term perspective on it. But I do think in the long term it'll move higher. If you did buy, unfortunately, like at the 16, 15, 16, 17 level, it's going to hurt. But I personally would not panic sell at this point, because if you panic sell, then you take a 10% loss, and then you're going to be scared to get back in when the stock does move back up. So I think Plug Power is going to be fine. This is just a natural down day after a natural red day after a lot of green days. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like on it and go ahead and subscribe. I do multiple updates on hot stocks and stock trading and options trading and other breaking news when it comes to the market. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.